New Delhi is the capital city of India and is situated in the northern part of the country. The city has a rich history, which dates back to the 6th century BC when it was ruled by the Tomars. Later on, it was ruled by various dynasties like the Mughals, the Khiljis, the Tughlaqs, and the British. The city was designed by the British architect Edwin Lutyens in the early 20th century and was inaugurated as the new capital of India in 1931. New Delhi is a popular tourist destination and is known for its numerous historical monuments and landmarks. Some of the popular tourist attractions in the city include the Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Humayun's tomb, India Gate, and Lotus Temple. The city is also home to numerous museums and art galleries, such as the National Museum and the National Gallery of Modern Art. The architecture of New Delhi is a blend of various styles, including Mughal, British, and contemporary. The city has numerous government buildings and monuments, which are designed in the colonial style. The Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, and the Supreme Court of India are some of the notable examples of colonial architecture in the city. New Delhi has a semi-arid climate with extreme temperatures throughout the year. The summers are hot and humid, with temperatures ranging from 25 to 45 degrees Celsius. The winters are cold, with temperatures ranging from 5 to 20 degrees Celsius. The best time to visit the city is from October to March when the weather is pleasant. The population of New Delhi is over 31 million people, making it the second most populous city in India. The city has a diverse population, with people from different religions and cultures living together. The official language of the city is Hindi, but English is widely spoken. New Delhi is known for its diverse cuisine, which includes both vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes. Some of the popular dishes in the city include chaat, chole bhature, paranthas, and biryani. The economy of New Delhi is driven by various sectors, including services, manufacturing, and tourism. The city is home to numerous multinational corporations and is one of the fastest growing economies in the world. The government sector also plays a significant role in the city's economy, with numerous government offices and ministries located in the city.